Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Fable House. I am Devita and this is the part 2 of the book suggestion videos. The first one was all about non-fiction suggestions, but in this video I'm going to be suggesting books based on the mythological category or the fiction category, so stay tuned and keep watching. Now the first one we have in the mythological series is Vanir. This is written by Anand Neelakantan. This is the tale of Bali, Sugriv and Tara. The second one is a very special book and very close to my heart. This is Forest of Enchantments, written by Chitra Banerjee Devakaruni, and this is basically Sita Ayan or Ramayana from the perspective of Sita. These are quite expensive books, but if you buy at the correct moment, you will get a great deal. Now this one is the Palace of Illusions. This is the story of Draupadi and retelling of Mahabharata from her perspective, and this is also an expensive book. This is also written by Chitra Banerjee Devakaruni, and these are my favorite mythological reads. Now, my favorite writer in this genre is Amish Tripathi, and these are his books. This is basically the Naga series. This is Shiva trilogy. This is the first book in the series is the Emotions of Melua. The second is the Secret of Nagas, and the third is the Oath of Vayuputras. And this story is basically of Shiv and Sati and their sons Ganesh and Kartikeya, and this book is so beautiful. It's written so, what should I say, so beautifully crafted that you will fall in love with this book. It does not matter whether you're an advanced reader or a beginner. This book goes for all. Now next trilogy is again by Amish. This is Ram trilogy. The first book is Ram, Sita and Ravan, and these books are again great, and both of these trilogies cost around 1200 to 1300 books if you buy offline, but on online platform I think you will get very good deals. I think 70 to 80% off on these book sets. Now next is a very special book set I think you all must have if you're a reader and a Harry Potter fan. So let's check that out. So in my hand I have this book set of Harry Potter series. These are 7 books written by J.K. Rowling, and this is the complete collection, and it gives me so much joy when I hold this book set. And this is a very expensive book set, let me tell you. If you go on a shop to buy this, you will get it for minimum of 4500 rupees. But I didn't buy it. It was gifted to me by someone special, and it cost around 2900 rupees till in the present date. But if you buy it during the sale, I think you will get around 60% or 70% off. The individual book costs around 400, 700, 900. So a book box of Harry Potter series is a great deal rather than buying an individual book. And talking about Harry Potter, here is the, what should I say, another book written, it's not by J.K. Rowling I guess, it is written by her team. This is Harry Potter and the Cursed Child, and this book is obviously after the story of Harry Potter and Voldemort and 19 years later what happens. And this is also a okay book, not a great one, but still Harry Potter, so we all love it. So this book set you can buy it at such a great deal during this sale, or else it will cost you very extra if you buy it on normal days. So buy this book set too, and thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also comment below if you want to say anything, and press the bell icon to receive freshly brewed content from me. So that's it. Bye bye, take care and stay safe.